Spring sneezes, the allergy mystery. Every spring, 50 million Americans sneeze. But why? Let's unravel this mystery. Flowers bloom, pollen clouds unleash chaos. Allergies spike, and sneezing fits begin. Pollen isn't just annoying. It's a plant's love letter. Trees, grasses, and weeds all join the sneeze parade. It gets crazier. Some trees release pollen that can travel over 400 miles. Here's the kicker. Allergies might actually be your body overreacting to harmless stuff. It's like a sneeze party gone wrong. Here's the shocking twist. Mold spores can also trigger allergies. They love damp spring weather too. To learn more about allergies? Visit FreedomShell.com.